In this System.io lesson, I'm going to take you through how to set up an order bump on an order form. Order bumps are amazing for making extra money from the same customer without it being too invasive. Order bumps are usually something cheaper than the main product that you're offering and something that makes sense for them to add to their shopping cart as they go through the order process. Let's take a look how to set one up. Order bumps are available for anyone on a paid System.io account. They do take up some resources that aren't available on a free account. So if you have upgraded your account to any of their plans, I'm going to show you how to set up an order bump. This is an example of an order bump here. It's a box that appears on your order form, a tick box. When someone ticks it, another price will be added to their cart and then the total will be updated. How we get that all set up is, first thing we need is a tag that's going to be assigned to anyone who ticks that box. When someone ticks it, then we can start automating, send them this file, they've opted in for this extra. So I'll have you go up to your contacts and down to tags, create a new one, call it something like order bump or even the name of your actual product so you can easily see what it's for, and then click save. Open up your funnel and go down to the order form. If you scroll down, you'll see the add order bump button down the bottom. Click that. It's very similar to what we've already set up with the digital product. So we're going to choose another digital product, the blue plus on the right, give it a name, add a resource. This part's important. You need to set up a resource or a file that they get sent once they've chosen your order bump as an option. You'll need to select a tag as your resource. This is going to allow you to send the file if someone chooses an order bump as an option on the form. So we're going to go down to tags and select a tag that you've made earlier, something like order bump or the name of the actual product that people are getting. Then add your price plan, create new, give it their price, and click save, save again. So that's step one of the order bump. You've got the actual price and a tag. Now we'll set up some automation to make that tag do something. We'll go up the top here to automations, rules, create new. The trigger will be tag added. So as soon as the tag of order bump is added, do this. And this will be send email. So here you would write out your email with the product that they've purchased. So they'll essentially be getting two emails. They'll be getting the original order and then their second email with the other product that they've ordered by ticking that yes, I want your order bump button. Same thing as before, hi, name, fill out the details, highlight the text, attach the product via a link. You can also got the option of attaching it to the email. I prefer the link option because then I can update the product and everyone gets the updated version, whereas if it's sent as an attachment, that's it. They get the older version and no updates. So that's why we choose to use a link instead of just an attachment to the email. When you're happy with your email and how it looks, click save and then save rule again. Now you can return to your funnel because your order bump is now set up. Let's view the page. So you'll see here we've got my course, which is the original course. We have our one-time offer. They click tick. The price of $5 has been added and there's a new total of $15. They can now scroll down and enter their credit card details. For this demo, I don't have payments set up with Stripe, but you will see a credit card form here if you're all set up correctly. Your order bump is now set up. How did you go? Did you think of something that you could add, something that could add value to your customers or help them succeed faster? I'll see you in the next video.